Hey guys, another quick note on this electric motion. I just noticed the bars are off center because I just replaced these bars under a warranty issue. Now I had centered it based on these markings and this printed on decal-y thing, if you can see that, the EM and these markings. So I would say that's not the right way to do this because that looks like it may have been printed on the bars crooked. Now, I don't know if you can see this yourself, but from this angle, check out the way the bars curve up on this nut right here, and then check out how much further away it is over here. So the bars are too far that way. Okay, so I measured as well from this bolt to the tip of the handlebar. It was 15.5, and this bolt to the tip of that handlebar, you know, all things being equal with the grips, it was 15. So I'm definitely a half an inch. I get these zip ties out of the way, half inch off. You can see the difference in curvature right here. Got that kind of flat spot for almost an inch, and this one doesn't really exist. So I'm guessing they printed that decal off center. So it's not a huge deal, but it is a half inch roughly. So you might want to just consider that when you're messing with your bars and make sure they printed the decal accurately. I hope that helps you guys. Appreciate it. Any subscriptions and likes. Thank you.